How to use socket wrench. Subscribe for more videos. A socket wrench is a hand tool that is used to tighten or loosen bolts and nuts. It consists of a handle, a ratcheting mechanism, and a socket that fits over the head of the bolt or nut. To use a socket wrench, choose the socket that is the correct size for the bolt or nut you are working on. Place the socket over the head of the bolt or nut. Hold the handle of the socket wrench with one hand, and use the other hand to turn the ratcheting mechanism in the direction you want to turn the bolt or nut, clockwise to tighten, counterclockwise to loosen. Continue turning the ratcheting mechanism until the bolt or nut is tightened or loosened to the desired level. Remove the socket wrench from the bolt or nut when you are finished. It is important to use the correct size socket for the bolt or nut you are working on, as using a socket that is too small or too large can strip the bolt or nut and make it difficult to remove. It is also important to use caution when using a socket wrench, as applying too much force can cause the tool to slip or break. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos.